Hello, my name is Tim Walsh. I'm the athletic director here at Ocean View High School. First of all, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to stop by the 2021 Ocean View Community Open House. One of our favorite events of the year, obviously a little bit different this year since we're doing it virtually rather. But this is our chance to show all the great stuff that we have at Ocean View. So I really hope that you take the time to visit all the presentations tonight and see what you're interested in and see all the great things that we have. I am someone who absolutely loves Ocean View. I grew up in the area, went to our district feeder schools, and then I attended Ocean View as the last of the Walshes. I'm the baby of six. After I graduated high school, I went to Occidental College for 4 years, came back, and I've been here ever since, over 20 years now. And both as a student and as a staff member here, I can tell you our mantra of "you can't spell love without OV" is true. This is such a warm and loving campus and a great place for all kids. I'm so happy to work with the students we work with and the staff I work with. It truly is a family around here. And obviously I'm extremely biased, but I truly hope that you take the time to check out all the cool things that we have, because this is a really, really special place. You're here to hear about athletics. This is the information about me if you ever want to contact me. My email address, twalsh@hbuhsd.edu. And there's the phone number and extension as well. Right now, especially during the pandemic, but really anytime, email is the best way to contact me. Currently I live in the area. My three boys go to Hope View, and I make sure I'm always wearing Ocean View stuff around Hope View. And it creates conversation with parents about Ocean View. Why Ocean View? What makes it different from the other schools in the district? Why should I send my son and daughter there? And I really embrace that chance to talk about it. I love that people reach out and want to know about our school and make decisions, based upon learning about the school. Ocean View is a unique place in our district for many reasons. And one thing that I'm super proud of is the fact that we have so many staff members who not only are doing things during the school day to help kids, but are also coaching. 9 of our current head coaches are teachers. So 9 of our head coaches that are running programs are making sure that they're making an impact in the classroom and on the field. And they're helping to really create a connection between the importance of being a great student and a great athlete, combining the idea of that student athlete. We have coaches here who are also doing things, assistant coaches here rather, who are doing things on campus too, teaching, supervision, activity secretary, various other things as well. So they have the opportunity to make the impact in multiple ways on our students and really give them the opportunity to become the best person they can be, the best complete person they can be, being that great athlete and being that great student as well. And we've really seen that have a huge difference. We've seen that since our kids are being coached by people who are on our campus and understanding the importance of getting it done in the classroom, we've seen the grades take off. I mean, our governing board, CIF, sends out presentations every year about how student athletes in general are generally better students and generally get more of their high school experience. And we've seen that. But going back to the academic piece, we have so many kids and so many programs here that really get it done. And we really think it's because, 1, we have great kids, but 2, we have so many coaches who understand that this is about athletics and developing great athletes. It's about developing great humans too, and really give them the best opportunity to succeed in life after high school. I know this because I see it every day, but also the stats prove it. Over the last decade or so that I've been athletic director, we've been recognized by CIF every year for what we've been doing. This past year in 1920, 20 of our teams were recognized by CIF for their classroom success. So that means that their varsity teams had a combined unweighted GPA of 3.0 or above. See this picture here of our 2014-15 boys golf team. They were state champions with the best GPA in the state. Well, our 1920 team was the same, a 3.91 team GPA. Very, very impressive. That's not weighted. It doesn't take into account their honors classes, or their AP classes, excuse me. Our coaches stress the importance of the grades and are able to make connections with other teachers on our campus when people are struggling. Again, there's that piece of caring about kids, going out of their way to make sure that our kids are getting it done, not only on the field, but in the classroom. And we see it. We have the results to show it with the statistics we have, but also we see it with our kids who just feel like that they're getting supported in multiple ways. Um, Obviously, with that success in the classroom, people want to see that, but also a lot of questions I get, like, what are you doing on the field? Well, our teams have been very successful in our league. 30 league titles over the last 5 years. In 18-19, our last full year, we had 18 teams represented in the CIF playoffs. I don't think anybody in our district can say that. Last year, we had 10 teams in a shortened year, so only the fall and the winter had playoffs last year. We didn't have a chance to have spring playoffs due to the pandemic. But again, I feel very confident based upon our spring sports, we would have been there again. And once we get to the playoffs, we've had great success. We've had CIF finalists over the last few years in cross country and swim and water polo. We've had our boys basketball program play in the state playoffs. We've had so many teams do great things. Our girls and boys volleyball teams have played in the state playoffs as well and made deep playoff runs. So we've had great success in the classroom and great success on the fields and the gyms and the pools. We've been getting it done all over the place. One of the great questions I get from parents that in the community is, what is Oceanview doing to get their kids to the next level? Are they getting kids to the next level, frankly? And that's a big thought for parents, is that I need to send my kid to a Division I school because that's how they get recruited. That is not true. College football coaches, college basketball coaches, college coaches in general get paid a great deal of money to find great athletes. And if they are not successful, they will lose their jobs. So they have assistant coaches. They have various resources they reach out to try to really reach out and recruit the best kids. So if you can play, they will find you. What you have in front of you is a list of our recent student athletes who have played at the next level. You have everything from high D1 to NAIA schools. And we have Division II, Division III athletes that you don't see on here. We've had 5 kids sign this year already, and we have another signing period coming up. So we have kids going to the next level, and our coaches take great pride in reaching out and helping our kids get there. And we develop great relationships with various schools. We have been kids going to Concordia for water polo. We have with a Vanguard in Concordia, we've sent kids for cross country. Our coaches are doing what they can to help out kids in every way and getting them the opportunity to play at the next level and showcasing them and giving them the best chance to be seen by the college coaches. And again, this list is not it does not include everyone. It does not include junior college kids or some of the small college kids as well. So we're really, really proud that our kids are moving on and playing at the next level. And even beyond that, you see pictures on this page of 5 of our athletes who went and played their sport here. Some went to college, but all of them played professionally. And I take great pride looking around on this slide because either I coach these kids in basketball or I had them in my classroom, and I know that they're great athletes, and I know they're even also great people. And I'm so proud of these guys. But just another example of, if you are working hard enough and you are giving yourself the best chance to compete and improve your abilities, you will be seen. And Oceanview has shown that we are sending kids to the next level on a very, very regular basis. These are all the sports that we have at Oceanview. We are big fans of multi-sport athletes, especially when their students are in their freshman and sophomore years. It's hard to play 2 sports in one season, but we have a lot of people that will play 2 or 3 sports in different seasons. Again, I encourage athletes to try something new their freshman year. Maybe they'll find out they're good at a sport they haven't played before. One of my best stories is I had a student who was in my freshman English class, an honors class, great kid. She was an elite soccer player her whole life, and she decided she didn't want to play anymore. Was kind of burned out and decided to give water polo a try. Played here for 4 years, was a goalie on 2 CIF finalist teams, and was a 4-year college player as well. So that's just one of many stories that we have about kids who have come and developed into great athletes and really helped them get the most of their experience, gave them a chance to compete at the next level. Again, I hope I've showed, I can't say enough about Oceanview. It is a great place with so many great humans that care about kids and really want them to succeed in every way. We have great students here. My biggest selling point is someday my 3 boys will go here. It's the place that I think kids need to be at. And right now, more than ever, I think kids need to feel supported. And this is a place that supports kids and really cares about them and gives them the same chances that they would get at other places, if not better. So once again, I can't thank you enough for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, please email me anytime. Thank you again, and hope we'll see some of you in the very near future. Take care. Bye-bye.